Ever stared at a crypto exchange interface, squinting, trying to figure out where in the digital cosmos your wallet address is hiding? Yeah, me too. Especially when it comes to something like Newton, right? You hear about it, maybe a friend recommended it, you're ready to dive in, but where's the darn address? It's like trying to find a specific grain of sand on a beach, except the beach is your phone screen. So, can you actually find your Newton wallet address? And more importantly, how do you do it without pulling your hair out? Music fades slightly. Let's be real, navigating the world of cryptocurrency can feel like learning a new language while blindfolded. It's full of jargon, acronyms, and interfaces that sometimes seem designed to confuse. But don't worry, you're not alone. The question of finding your wallet address is a common one, and in the case of Newton, it's tied to a few key aspects of how the platform operates. First, let's establish some fundamentals. What exactly is a wallet address? Think of it as your digital bank account number, but for crypto. It's a unique string of characters that identifies your wallet on the blockchain, allowing others to send you cryptocurrency. Just like you need your bank account number to receive a wire transfer, you need your wallet address to receive crypto. Now, Newton is a Canadian cryptocurrency brokerage platform. This is crucial because it means Newton primarily functions as a gateway to buying and selling crypto, rather than a full-fledged, self-custody wallet provider. This distinction is key to understanding how you interact with your wallet addresses on the platform. Unlike a dedicated hardware wallet or some software wallets where you have complete control and can generate multiple addresses, Newton's architecture is a bit different. When you buy crypto on Newton, you're essentially purchasing it through their custodial service. This means they hold the crypto on your behalf, similar to how a traditional brokerage holds your stocks. So, here's the kicker. You don't necessarily have a static, easily accessible wallet address for every single cryptocurrency you hold on Newton in the way you might expect. Instead, when you want to deposit crypto into your Newton account, you'll need to initiate a deposit request. This request will then generate a deposit address specific to that transaction. Let's break that down. Imagine you want to deposit Bitcoin into your Newton account. You wouldn't just look up a general Bitcoin address and send it there. Instead, you'd go to the deposit section of the Newton app or website, select Bitcoin, and follow the prompts. The platform will then generate a unique Bitcoin deposit address for you to use for that particular transfer. This is a crucial security measure, as it helps prevent errors and ensures your funds are credited to your account correctly. Why does Newton operate this way? Primarily, it's about security and compliance. As a regulated brokerage, Newton must adhere to strict anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Using dynamic deposit addresses helps them track and manage transactions, ensuring compliance and protecting users from potential fraud. Now, here's where things can get a little confusing for newcomers. If you're used to having a single, permanent wallet address, this dynamic approach might seem counterintuitive. But it's essential to understand that Newton's focus is on providing a user-friendly and secure platform for buying and selling crypto, not necessarily on offering the most granular level of wallet control. So, to answer the initial question directly, yes, you can find a wallet address on Newton, but you'll do so by initiating a deposit request. You won't find a static list of addresses readily available. Let's walk through the steps, shall we? First, open the Newton app or log into your account on the website. Second, navigate to the funding or deposit section. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the platform update, but it's usually easy to find. Third, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. For example, if you're depositing Ethereum, select ETH. Fourth, you'll likely see a prompt or button that says something like Generate Deposit Address or Show Deposit Address. Click on it. Fifth, a unique deposit address will be generated for that specific transaction. You'll also see a QR code, which you can scan with your mobile wallet app for easy transfer. Sixth, carefully copy the address or scan the QR code into your sending wallet. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct before sending the funds. Seventh, wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. This process can take varying amounts of time depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. 1. Medium.com. Medium.com. It's crucial to understand that this generated address is typically only valid for that specific deposit. Using an old or previously generated address could result in lost funds. So always generate a new address for each deposit. Now, let's address some common concerns. You might be wondering, what happens if I send crypto to the wrong address? Unfortunately, in the world of cryptocurrency, transactions are irreversible. If you send crypto to the wrong address, there's usually no way to recover it. This is why it's absolutely critical to double-check the address before sending funds. Another common question is, can I withdraw crypto from Newton to my own external wallet? Absolutely. In this case, you'll be initiating a withdrawal, not a deposit. You'll need to provide the withdrawal address from your external wallet. Again, double-check the address carefully before confirming the withdrawal. Here's a quick recap. Newton is a custodial brokerage, not a traditional self-custody wallet provider. You generate deposit addresses on demand when you initiate a deposit request. Always double-check the address before sending or withdrawing funds. Understand the difference between deposits and withdrawals. In essence, understanding that Newton functions as a brokerage is key to understanding how wallet addresses work on the platform. It's not about having a static address, it's about generating a dynamic address for each transaction. This approach prioritizes security and compliance, which are essential in the regulated cryptocurrency space. It's also worth noting that the user interface of crypto platforms can change over time. So, always refer to the official Newton documentation or support resources for the most up-to-date information. If you're ever unsure about anything, don't hesitate to reach out to Newton's customer support. They're there to help. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed and up-to-date. Understanding the nuances of how different platforms handle wallet addresses is a crucial part of navigating this space safely and effectively. So, next time you're wondering where to find your Newton wallet address, remember that it's not about finding a static address, it's about generating a dynamic address for each deposit request. It's a simple process once you understand the underlying principles. And remember, always prioritize security and double-check those addresses. It's better to be safe than sorry in the world of crypto. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.